Guys, how you doing today? I got something a little bit different going on here. It's I'm going to be making a candle out of this orange. So this is how we try it. First you cut this top part off the orange. You cut it about there. Just like this. And then in the center of the orange, of course, you've got the core. So you want to save that part, but you want to take the orange out of the orange. So we'll take the orange out of it. I don't know if that's the best way to do it. I'll just get in there with my finger, I think, and do it. Yeah, that works really good. Just use your finger. So you can get right in there, get that orange out of there. Look at that. Oh, it's coming together nicely now. Really looking good. Oh yeah, get right down into it. Okay, the trick here is now, getting up to the tricky part, you don't want to rip the core out of it. I don't know if I showed you which end to cut off there. You want to cut that end off, not the end where it's got the stem attached to the tree yet. Cut the other end off. Well, maybe it's coming okay. Well, I'm sort of wrecking the core here a little bit. I don't know if it's going to work. Hate to bugger it up on my tutorial here, but sometimes that happens. Oh yeah, I can feel it down there now. There's a good bit of core in there. The core is important. You want to maintain the integrity of it. Don't rip it out of there. This orange that you take out of here, you can eat it. And I'm just dumping this juice out. Not washing it or anything. Then you can just let that sit for a while. Here, let me shorten up the core piece here. What I just did there is I just cut this little tiny piece of the core off there. Still got the core in there. You can see it right there. So there's a couple of different ways you can go about this. You can fire it up right now, or you could use it for later. This part you can eat right now because it's delicious. It's an orange. And this other one, what I've done is I've cooked up some bacon. Actually saved the bacon fat. I'm going to use the bacon fat for putting in here. So this will be my material that you can let that sit for a day or two if you want, or you can do it right now. If you do it right now, it might take a little bit to get that wick going. But here's the bacon fat that I've got, so I'm gonna pour the bacon fat in there. So I poured some bacon fat in there. Let me show you. See, I got the bacon fat poured right in there. I poured it over top of the wick. So yeah. So I got a lighter here now, and we'll see how it's going to work. You got to keep a bit of heat on this thing because the orange was wet. It was a brand new, fresh, wet orange. So it's all got to be dried out now. So I'm drying out this top portion. I'm lighting the wick here. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Getting this wick going. Maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's too close. There you go. There. Now you can probably see the wick going a little bit better there now. Yeah, this is good. This is a free candle. This thing doesn't cost anything. It just costs the price of the orange when you first buy the orange, but you can eat the orange. So sort of works out pretty good like that. I think I got that thing going. No, not quite. Takes a little bit to dry it out. Oh yeah, it's really coming here now. I'll go from a different angle maybe. Try some from over here. There it goes. Over here, there's another one I did this morning. And it's been burning for, 4 hours now. That one right there. This one's one I just fired up. And looks like it's going to be okay. So that's a free candle. I just thought I'd let you guys, there you go. Just thought I'd let you know about that, the free candle here. If you want to try it, give it a try. Doesn't cost anything. It's free. So till next time, catch you later. Bye-bye.